Hello, ako po si Madam P at ito yung reading natin for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's start your reading. Kung gusto mong magpabook ng reading, pumunta ka na lang sa aming Facebook page, Madam P. Pag di mo ma-search, ilagay mo hashtag Madam P or Madam P TV. Pwede mong i-search yan dun sa Facebook. And then, comment ka na lang dun sa pinaka-profile pic kung hindi ka makapag-message sa page namin para sa personal reading. Ayan. Yung admin ko magre-reply sa'yo or magme-message sa'yo kapag sa mismong profile picture ka nag-message or nag-comment. Let's start what we have here for the sign of Earth sign. You do have the Justice card, the Emperor. Okay, maganda to kasi whatever you're building sa iyong career, sa iyong maybe even business, nakakita tayo dito with the page, with the Knight of Pentacles. This has a lot of potential. Pwedeng kusa na lang din pati, no? No, yung mga sitwasyon pangyayari, kusang ibibigay sa'yo para ipupush ka na kahit hindi mo pa to balak gawin or hindi mo pa to balak simulan or baguhin, whatever. May mga experience na mararanasan ka ngayon para baguhin yung sitwasyon mo or ayusin yung sitwasyon mo. Tapos mapipilitan kang or mauobliga kang gumawa ng something na yun nga, maybe changes pagdating sa iyong career. Pero nakikita natin, mas magbe-benefit ka dito. So, yung person na kakonect mo, sino to? You do over the Judgment. The Judgment and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. So, yung person na connect mo, nakikita natin, may mga malaking movement siyang gagawin na parang pwedeng ikagulat mo to ha. Kasi pwede, but I feel like you're already ready dito kung just in case. Kasi with the Wheel of Fortune, magugulat ka dito sa person na to eh. May mga gagawin or sasabihin siya sa'yo na pwedeng, with a Page of Cups, this is like an immature decision or immature movement mula dito sa person na to. This could be a new person, Ace of Wands. Pwedeng may offers dito or may offer na nakikita tayo mula dito sa person na to na pwedeng kailangan mong pag-isipan mabuti. The problem with a lot of you is pwedeng part of you is may pagka-indecisive, hindi mo alam kung anong isasagot mo or anong gagawin mo. Emotions. Nine of Wands. Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Actually, what I see here sa energy mo, ang focus mo kasi new beginning talaga eh. Kasi in the past, kung pagbabalikan natin yung past, marami kang pinagdaanan na kalungkutan, lalo sa mga immature decisions mo in life. Tapos with the Nine of Wands, ang daming challenges, ang daming karma na na-experience mo. So, kumbaga, para sa'yo, hindi ka na para i-experience or ma-experience ulit yung mga bagay na yon. So, ngayon, ang focus mo, new beginning, reality, as much as possible, you stay grounded. Especially, usaping financial, yun yung pinaka-focus mo. How about this person? Emotions niya for you. You do over the page of wands. I can see, sasabihin niya yun sa'yo. And makikipag-communicate or connect itong person na to out of nowhere with the devil, Capricorn energy. So, nakikita natin may kipag-connect or communicate siya sa'yo. Pwedeng while at work or while this person is, busy or may nasa trabaho or career niya or business niya, whatever. Pero nakikita natin may kipag-connect siya sa, pwede rin mang hindi, but I just find this person na siya, may Capricorn energy which is very hardworking. So, habang may ginagawa siya, tsaka siya may kipag-connect or communicate sa'yo. Pero at the same time, yung mindset mo kasi dito, medyo mas nakatingin ka na sa realidad ng buhay. In the near future, in the near future, the lovers. Okay, the lovers is here, the temperance, and the seven of swords. I mean, be careful lang kasi tendency, there's a potential of like third party situation, so mag-ingat. Seven of swords, nakikita natin yung pag-iwas or paglayo mo, or yeah. Kasi parang nandun yung pag-iwas mo na naharapin itong sitwasyon na to, and then I mean, if you are already in a relationship, you can keep both. Hindi mo pwedeng piliin pareho. You have to choose one. And itong person na to is willing to wait naman. But there's this karmic energy and Three of Swords, sabi ko na nga, pwede siyang lumabas sa third party situation. So, mag-ingat ka or huwag mo pairalin yung pagiging indecisive mo around this time. Pag dumating itong person na to na ikinagulat mo, kasi I feel like you like the energy, gusto mo din. Kaya lang, hindi mo din maalis or maiwan yung isa because might be sa obligasyon mo. Pero the energy here is you need to take the risk. Ayun, Two of Pentacles, which is which. Kasi may happiness sa'yo sa huli. Ten of Cups with the Seven of Wands. Pero kailangan mong harapin or you need to choose your path. Diba? Hindi ka pwedeng nasa crossroad. Kasi Seven of Wands, lumalabas ito as parang ikaw yung driver ng buhay mo eh. Ngayon, ano ka ba, kakanan, kakaliwa? O hindi mo pwedeng kunin pareho, kailangan mo mamili kung anong direksyon. Pero overall, nakikita natin, any direction na piliin mo is nagpapakita naman ng happiness sa'yo. So, ikaw lang kailangan mamili kung alin doon. Kasi pag doon ka sa gitna or pareho mong pinili, hindi ka magiging masaya. You only have to choose one. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.